DoorDash wants me to hand my phone over to a customer so that they could sign my phone, because in the past they have either not received their order or they are trying to scam DoorDash into getting free food, but you want me to hand my phone over. Y'all could probably tell my reaction to this, but I'm going to share some money actually doing this delivery, getting the customer to sign their order with their phone, and I'm gonna go over it and tell you what I think about it. Let's get into it.
I got an order to where I have to have the customer sign before they get their order or whatever. And what I've heard other DoorDash YouTubers say is that DoorDash will do that to customers that report their food missing a lot. So if they tell DoorDash, oh, I haven't got my food, and they keep doing that a lot, DoorDash will make them have to sign for their food so that they can't lie and get free food anymore, because DoorDash loses money that way. I'm gonna record it on my GoPro and see how it is when they sign it. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Sorry about that. It brought me over to that building over there.
No, you're fine. The whole Google Maps thing is wonderful.
Okay, can I get your signature? Let me see. Enter your full name.
You can type it out. I don't feel comfortable touching your phone other than
What's your name?
It's right there, Elizabeth.
Okay, sorry. Elizabeth.
Have a good night.
You too.
Alright, DoorDash has been making so many changes lately, and I know there are people out there that want to scam for food, and this is DoorDash's way around it. So they could take a move from UberEats and have the customer tell the driver a PIN number, a 4-digit PIN number. I've done many of those. Super easy. It's the last 4 digits of the phone number that the customer is using, and you type that. I type that into my own phone, and then I hand the customer the food. But no, DoorDash wants to take it a step further. They want me, the driver, to hand my phone over to said scammy customer and get them to sign for it. So my thoughts on this is no. 1, I don't want you touching my phone. 2, how do I know this scammy customer isn't just going to grab my phone and close the door? What do I do at that point, DoorDash? I don't have my phone to contact support. Can't call 911. The only thing I could do is bust their door down to get my phone. So y'all let me know down below your thoughts on that. What if a customer actually, did you just hit my car? You good? Is it good? Okay. Yeah, I know it happens, but
no, and then usually I don't like to park too close, but it was,
yeah.
You know.
All right, if it's good, it's fine.
I'm sorry,
It's okay. A woman tried to walk away. She got this big ass, you can't even see the truck. There's the tire. She got this big ass truck and she just hit my car with it. You can't tell though. You can't tell though, but of course I'm gonna go out there and look at it. So the thing about this is when you receive the order offer, you don't know that it needs a signature until after you pick the food up and you're heading to the customer and you get this notification that the next step is that they have to sign. So you have to hand your phone over. And this I found, if a customer puts like a false signature, you could be deactivated. The driver could be deactivated. What? Well, as you've seen in the video I just showed you, the customer literally just scribbled something because she wasn't having it. Like, she just wanted her food. She was probably already mad that they had to do this extra step, and she couldn't scam to say that she never got her food. I don't know the situation, but that just doesn't sit right with a DoorDash driver. Like, it's not my fault that this customer scribbled. Do I need to look at their ID and verify that the signature is their correct signature? And also, how is DoorDash knowing what this customer's signature actually is? Some people are saying that this is a good idea so that they don't end up with a contract violation where the customer says they never got their food. But there are so many layers to this, and in my personal opinion, I've been delivering food for 3 years. In my personal opinion, this is not a good idea. This is not a good contact with a customer. Even if they are the most honest customer out there, the cleanest customer out there, you don't mind them touching your phone, you trust them with your phone device. There are better options, such as the PIN code that Uber Eats uses. I mean, that is such a great idea. It's less contact, and technically the customers still can figure out a way to scam by saying items from their order weren't in the bag. I better move before this chick comes back and hits my car again. This is another reason why I avoid low orders, not just because I'm out here trying to make money and pay my bills, but because of customers like this. Normally it's the customers that don't tip, or they put like $1 tip, like in my last video, and they want you to ask the restaurant to remake the food. They don't answer their door on a hand it to me order. You know, these kind of customers are normally no tip customers. So those are orders I avoid anyways, so maybe that's why I haven't personally seen one of these orders where I have to hand my phone to the customer, because y'all know I'd be recording all of it. I've seen UDM talk about this subject, and when I came across John Billings' video where he actually showed the process, I just, you know, I figured I would put him in the video, give him a little shout out. He's at 200 subscribers, so if you want to go check him out, maybe I can link him down below. Let me know your thoughts on this below. Let's talk about it in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click on one of these videos to watch next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.